Set your thermostat schedule before you move so your new home is comfortable on arrival and your energy use is minimized. Start by setting initial comfort set points that match occupancy times for the first 24 hours, so you avoid arriving to a cold or hot house. Program setback schedules to lower or raise temperature when the house is typically unoccupied, and then restore comfort an hour before expected arrival times. For mechanical systems, this reduces runtime, and for heat pump systems, it prevents auxiliary heat from kicking on. If you have a smart thermostat, connect it to the home Wi-Fi and verify location, time zone, and the correct heating and cooling system. Type in settings to ensure algorithms learn accurately. Use vacation mode when you will be traveling for more than 24 hours and set a minimal temperature range to prevent freezing or excessive humidity while saving energy. If the house has zoning dampers or multiple thermostats, test each zone independently by moving set points and listening for damper response or feeling airflow changes at registers so you can map zones to rooms. Keep a simple log of current set points, schedules, and any system errors so you can hand this to the incoming occupant or reference it during the first service visit. Common mistakes include leaving the thermostat at a single constant temperature, which wastes energy and makes the first day uncomfortable. Instead, program time-based setbacks and recoveries tied to your arrival time. People often fail to verify system type and wiring in smart thermostat setup, which causes incorrect mode selection and can trigger emergency heat. Confirm whether the system is conventional forced air, heat pump, or hydronic, and set the thermostat accordingly, or call a technician. Another frequent issue is not testing zoning or dampers after moving, which means some rooms will be unconditioned. Run each zone through a manual test and adjust damper positions or thermostat offsets until temperatures are balanced. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around home improvement needs, including HVAC setup and energy optimization. We help homeowners find local contractors and help contractors find work. And we also host a discussion community where we and other members share real-world tips and experiences.